Hi guys, I have just purchased this Franke Flair coffee machine as a bargain. It's not working apparently. Just do a little test here, see if it powers on, which is good. I have got a drip tray. So what I'm going to do is strip the whole thing down and then find out what the problem is. I'll just speed this section up for you. Right, I've dismantled it, and there's a lot of coffee inside the unit. I've took the panels off, I've put them outside in a bucket. I'm just going to give them a clean. Some of the panels on the accessories. There's some there, and there's some over here, the covers and everything. So I'm just continuing to still dismantle the unit. As you can see, there's a lot of coffee inside, stains from ground coffee. This is the brew unit here. Just got to disconnect this connection on the top from the brew unit. And then I just got to see if I can pull the rest of the connections off, hoses off this front section here for the jets. And that's that section off there. So I'm just going to give the whole unit a vac. Get rid of all these bits here. Obviously this machine's not been used in a good while. Just cleaning the inside by the brew unit, which I am going to remove. And then you can see the hoppers. This is the grinders. That was the actual hopper I've removed there. Just got to give this a vac as well. Obviously this machine's not been used in a while, because there's some stubborn hard chunks of coffee. And I'm just vacuuming out the brew unit there. And this is the coffee bean grinders. I'm just removing them. I'm going to give them a clean as well. As you can look inside here, you can see dried on coffee inside the unit here. That's the left hand grinder unit. And this is the right hand grinder unit. Looks like hair inside of it or something like that. That's the right hand side one. Gonna give that a clean as well. Looks like hair or something inside there. And I've cleaned the unit out, and this is what it was. I'm not sure what this is. Looks like part of a bag or something. And I've just vacuumed the whole area. I'm just putting the grinders back in. I'm just going to give the whole thing a wipe. This is just cleaning the control panel here, and the underside of the unit. Get a whole lot of clean, and just cleaning these pipes here, these hoses, which distribute the coffee. just giving it a wash inside this area here. Now I'm going to remove the brewer unit. It's just 2 screws and it comes away. Just sliding it out here. And that's the brew unit out. Just going to give that a clean also. This is just a demonstration of how the unit works. This piston drops down, section drops down, coffee goes in there to be brewed, and it slides in and the piston comes down. I'm just going to give the whole unit a clean here, as you can see here. Bit of mess inside here which I'll clean up also, inside the cylinder.
Excellent. They're just super things.
And I'll just check the movements. And here you can see I've cleaned the rest of the machine with the brewer unit removed. Not cleaning them before. And I'm just removing the solenoids for the injectors. That's the solenoids there. Just make sure they're nice and clear. And just cleaning these jets out. And here I'm just descaling the nozzles. I've dismantled them and I'm just descaling them. See the mess inside here? Build up of, looks like milk or something. And that's the top half of the brewer unit. Just took the cover off, get inside there clean. And I've fitted them back onto the machine here. Just fitting these jets and spouses back together. And this is the water inlet. There was a lot of hair in there. I've cleaned it all out. Dismantle the whole thing and give it a good clean. You can see the filter in there. And that's it. The machine's fully assembled now. I'm just going to turn it on. Just give you a look around it. And just turn the unit on. First thing it's going to want to do is rinse, which I have done here. So I'm going to rinse the unit first. Then it wants to do a decalcifying, which I've added some scale remover. And it's just going to blow steam and water through all the jets. You can see some of the bits that have come out. I'm going to decalcify it a few times till it's clear. And once that's done, I've switched it on. It's all clear now, all the water inside's clean. test here. White coffee. And you can see it's brewing nicely here. I've tested all of the options, espresso, latte, everything's working fine. And everything seems to be working fine on it, besides the steam one, which I think has been disabled. And that concludes. Thanks for watching once again, and please subscribe.